Hello guys. Karon na may ka-update guys.
Look guys, I have a smile on my hand and SpongeBob aura farming. We will steal a brain lot. We're gonna steal a brain lot.
Kanindot sa adlaw today. Nice ang weather. Update.
Something about Grow Garden is like a lot of people say Grow Garden because daily update sucks. It's true, I agree. People just steal our fruits where they need it. Someone stole my bone blossoms. There's a 50 billion.
Karon na may update guys kay nagka-influenza.
Influenza? What do you mean about that?
Nagka-flu mi guys.
We got attacked by flu because we got flu. So don't tell us how we got it. So I just got, because I'm gonna tell you right now. So I got sick because of my room. Then I made my mom sick.
Yun lang guys, update guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.
Bye bye.